Hey everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Check out what just rolled into the photo booth. This gorgeous 1957 De Ville Coupe 62 Series was a barn find. And in 2010, it came out of Canada. It went through a full restoration, and I mean full restoration, nut to bolt. It's got 62,000 miles on it. It's painted in Tahoe Blue, and this thing is just yummy. I mean, look at that grille, the chrome and the face. All the lights are working correctly. I mean, it's gonna take a few minutes, this one, for me to go through with you, and it's really gonna be a pleasure. It retains a numbers matching engine in there. That's a 365 cubic inch V8 with 300 horsepower. That's the engine that has 62,000 miles on it. And it comes with a Hydramatic factory numbers matching transmission, which they had overdrive back then. I mean, some of the things are just amazing. Retains its factory air conditioning. It's got power brakes. It's got power steering. All your belts and hoses are great. Underneath, the detail of the engine compartment is immaculate. I mean, just take a look. Chrome is in very good condition. It's just a little dirty here. That's from us sitting out in a little dirt, but that will chrome up it really nice. The grille's in great shape. Everything is the way it should be. Let's close this tank so you can really look at that face. Just want to give it a kiss. Beautiful lines going all the way through. The white top and the white walls 2 inches all the way throughout. All your badging and stuff is good. Complete glass is in great shape with all the chrome around it. Your wipers are working correctly. The vent windows are working correctly. All your lines and stuff line up exactly the way it should, because the body went through a complete epoxy down to the bare metal on it, and then it was totally gone through. Let's take a look at it from a long shot. I mean, the lines are just amazing. All your chrome throughout the vehicle is the way it should be throughout everything here. This is the hardest parts to find. No rust to be found anywhere. Trunk is done pretty much to its original condition with the spare tire. Everything from the trunk is done. All your moldings throughout the car are good. All original panels. It's a real treat. This one's a real nice car for a drive and to collect. They don't make or see very many of these. They only made a few. See how the exhaust comes out of the back chrome bumper? Original to that car. All your fins and stuff, great shape all the way throughout. Just lines up great. I haven't found anything with the paint. Look at that. Make sure you have enough room in the garage. Get a warehouse. Body's just, it flows. Gaps out great. Door to quarter, fender to door, and on the lines on the bottom as well. All these little chrome pieces are intact around the wheel wells. These vent windows are working properly. It was a full restoration. Still has the original interior with the power seats. Is that a little Katina? I'd leave it. No rips. Back seat in very good condition. Everything's intact. Headliner, nice and tight with the chrome all the way throughout. All through all your jams and everything. A little patina here, which I love. All the chrome inside. Very clean. Look at this. Rust-free car. Molding, great. I feel like I'm at Grandma's house with that. Dashboard's good. I see a little bubbling up at the top there, but that's all I could find. These are all your little vents in here, which are very cool. Go through. AM radio. That's the boombox back then. 63,953 miles. All your gauges seem to be working correctly. Oh, I don't have the key. Okay, whatever. Heaters and everything are working. There's your power windows. Headlights. Amazing. It's art. I mean, it's a piece of artwork. I'm gonna put it in my living room. These open and close, it's a keep the wind out and stuff. Real cool how they did that. The engineering is just amazing. This gorgeous 57 DeVille is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, just 15 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport with the other 260 cars in our warehouse. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. We offer special financing up to 180 months if you have good credit with 10% down, and shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured. So if you need a quote on shipping or anything in our inventory, which everything is at mgmclassiccars.com, all our photos, pictures, descriptions, videos, you could call me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl, and that's 773-600-0919. Please like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I gotta tell you, it was a real pleasure doing this video on this 1957 Coupe De Ville 62 Series. It's a real beautiful car. Please give me a call. Let's get this in the garage, get it in the collection. Have a great day, everybody.